We would like to begin this interaction with an exercise that would allow you to harness the potent energies of the full moon and the moon eclipse. As you know, the celestial events of the lunar eclipse is about transformation, is about alchemy. And so, if you'd like, you can join us for a short practice that would allow you to both release the negative energy or the energy that is no longer serving you, and on its place to charge your organs, to charge your body and your aura with the beautiful energies for health, vitality, strength, joy. And so, if you'd like, we can move into the practice. We will exhale the 6 healing sounds from each of our organs so that we can detoxify the organ of the negative energy. And then we will inhale, we will charge the organs with beautiful energies, we will smile to them. We will start with our heart and inhale, and you can do the pulling down the heavens sign, and exhale the ha sound. Exhale the ha sound. You can visualize while doing this gray or black energy being released from your heart as the energies of hatred, impatience. Then we inhale, we smile to our heart, and we charge it with the energies of unconditional love, patience, and joy. So we inhale, and we see the heart glowing in a beautiful red light. Hold the breath, smile to your heart. And exhale, seeing your aura glow in a beautiful red light. Then we will move to our spleen, connected to the energies of overthinking, tension, and again with the pulling down the heaven sign, we will exhale the WHO sound, WHO. Visualizing black smoke coming out from your mouth, from your eyes, from your spleen, exhaling tension and overthinking. Then you can inhale, see your spleen glowing in a beautiful golden light, and charge it with the energies of trust, harmony, and peace. Hold your breath, see your spleen glowing in a beautiful golden light. Smile to your spleen. I thank you. I love you, spleen. Exhale into your aura golden light. Next, we move to our lungs. We will exhale the energies of sadness, disempowerment, and we will see the black smoke coming out of your mouth and out of your eyes, being grounded into the earth where it is transformed. And then we will inhale, we will see our lungs glowing in a beautiful white light, charging them with the energies of strength, courage, and integrity. So again, inhale, we will exhale the S sound. And then inhale, seeing your lungs glowing in a beautiful white light. Hold the breath. Smile to your lungs. I thank you and I love you, my beautiful lungs. Exhale white light into your aura. Next, we move to our kidneys, exhaling fear, shame, doubt. And we will charge our kidneys with the energies of wisdom and courage. So we exhale the chew sound, again with the pulling down the heavens technique. Visualizing black smoke, all of our fear leaving our body. Then we inhale, we see our kidneys glowing in a beautiful blue light. Smiling to them, charging them with courage and wisdom, gentleness. Hold your breath for a while and exhale blue light into your aura. Smile to your kidneys. And then we move on to our liver, exhaling the sh sound, SH sound, and releasing any anger, any envy or jealousy with the SH sound, inhaling and charging our liver with beautiful green light and with the energies of generosity, benevolence. So pulling down the heavens with the SH sound. Black light, black smoke leaving your body, detoxifying your liver. Inhale, see your liver shine in a beautiful green light. Smile to your liver while holding your breath. I thank you and I love you, beloved liver. Exhale green light into your aura. Finally, we will exhale the he sound, which will allow for the excessive heat to leave our body, leaving from our head down to our feet, going into the earth where it will be transformed. So again, with the technique pulling down the heavens, exhaling the he sound. And finally, we gather all of this beautiful energy that we have created for our body, mind, and spirit into our dantian, where we will see it as a beautiful ball of white light. Smiling to our beautiful ball of white light. Thank you for recharging me, for blessing me, and for staying within me. Amen. And we spiral, screwing this beautiful, healing, blessing energy into our bodies 9 times clockwise, 9 times counterclockwise. We thank you for joining us for this beautiful practice, and we wish you a magical full moon and moon eclipse. We are now available for your questions.
Thank you for this beautiful practice. I wanted to ask you, when you feel you're ready for the next step on your journey, but yet something is obstructing you to take an action in that direction, what is the best way to go about it?
Just like we did with this practice, on one hand, you have letting go of what is holding you back. So while doing these sounds, while doing this practice, you can simply visualize that which you would like to let go of and simply let it go. It is that easy. Just give it to your Mother Earth Gaia, and she will gladly transform it. And then, when you are inhaling, charging your organs, while charging your organs, you can visualize that which you would like to manifest, that which in which you would like to transform this energy that you just let go of. And while you're inhaling, while you're seeing your organs glowing in a beautiful light, visualize yourself already being that version that has already become that which you prefer, has already taken that action that your heart desires. You can even say a mantra, you can even say it to yourself or even out loud. That reality is already manifest. I am healthy. I am healed. I am abundant, prosperous, and successful. I am loved. Whatever you put after I am is that which you become. So simply allow for yourself to let go and be prepared to put a new program on the place of the old one. Does that answer your question sufficiently?
Yes, thank you very much. And speaking of Gaia, why is grounding such an important part?
Because you have chosen this incarnation in order to combine the energies of the heavens and the energies of the earth in a sweet, loving alchemy. And without the energies of the earth, you only have the celestial energies. But when you ground the celestial energies into yourself, into the earth, because you are connected to your Mother Earth Gaia, you are then allowing for yourself to be charged with these celestial energies in a way that, in a balanced and harmonious way, that would allow you to continue on your path as more and more of your true self. And if you, on the other hand, if you only have the Gaian energies, the equation is again incomplete. You are the conduit of both the heavens and the earth. You're both a children of God, children of God and of the earth. You are an alchemical being.
Thank you very much for this beautiful answer. And my last question is, why on the magical journey, on the journey of the hero, or the journey of the magician, writing in a diary, in a grimoire is such an important part as well?
It is important because it allows you to ground again these energies. When you are physically writing with a pen on a paper, you are allowing for your experiences, your learnings, your feelings to be physicalized in a way that would allow you to more greatly go through these experiences and gain the lessons, gain the wisdom, gain the gifts that these teachers have come to give you. And when you read at a later point what you have written, this becomes more and more a part of yourself, becomes more and more integrated.
Very beautiful. Thank you very much for this amazing interaction. As always, it's a gift, very big gift for all of us.
We thank you for opening your hearts to receiving us, as well as, just like us, we are opening our hearts to receiving your energy in this heart-to-heart communication, interaction, and experience. We hold you in deep appreciation, and we wish you a magical day.